Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add caption to your video on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone. And then here, I'm going to create new post. I'm going to click on this plus icon. And for example, I'm going to upload a video from my gallery. You can also record your video by clicking on this button. Make sure you select the duration of the video, then you can start to record by clicking on this circle or this red button. And for me, I'm just going to upload video from my gallery. So I'm going to select this option and I'm going to choose this video. Okay, I'm going to create a caption for this video on the TikTok, then click on OK. And after that, you can click on this little arrow. And if you want to create a caption, you can select captions. And here you can choose the language. Right here, if you want to change the language, you can change the caption language according to the language in your video. And since the language in my video is English, so I'm just going to select English. And as you can see guys, that the other captions have been created. So this is the result. And you can edit the caption one by one if you're not satisfied with the result. If you want to edit the caption, you can select this pen icon. Then you can edit the caption one by one. Okay, I'm going to click on save, and then you can also change the style of your caption. If you want to change it, you can click on this option, and here you will be able to change the font and then the color as well. It's up to you guys. If you want to change the color, you can go to this option. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on save. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay, and then you can click on save, and once you're ready to share your video, you can click on next, and you will be able to share it to your TikTok account by clicking on this post option. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add caption on our video in TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, guys.